Okay, so in today's video, we are testing something new, OpenAI's latest model, ChatGPT-5, to see how well it can generate high-quality front-end code for a website. This video is part of a practical experiment. Now, quick disclaimer, GPT-5 is currently available only on the mobile app. I've personally tested both the desktop web version and the Windows desktop app, and neither of them shows GPT-5 yet. On the mobile app, however, you will see two versions available, GPT-5 and GPT-5 Thinking, both under the GPT-5 label, both part of this powerful new upgrade. So for this test, I'm using both models side by side, GPT-4 and GPT-5, both from the mobile app and desktop browser, since that's the only way to access GPT-5 right now using a mobile. So thoughtful, let's begin. The goal is simple. I've created a custom prompt and we are going to run it through both models to see which one generates better code and how much code it can produce from a single prompt. Now, just to be clear, the prompt itself is not anything too fancy. It's a basic test prompt, nothing complex, but it should still give us a good idea of each model's raw performance. So GPT-4 has generated just 247 lines of code, but on the other hand, GPT-5 on mobile is still generating, it hasn't stopped yet. Let's wait for the full output and then we'll talk in detail. Finally, you can see it for yourself. GPT-5 just generated 1168 lines of code from a single prompt. That's massive. Now let's run both outputs, GPT-4 versus GPT-5, and see which one actually wrote better code. Usually for front-end design, we rely on tools like Figma, but this code from GPT-5, seriously impressive. The formatting is clean, the layout looks sharp, the aesthetic already solid, and there is still room to refine it further. And remember, this was just a basic test prompt, nothing fancy. Still, the results speak volumes about how far GPT-5 can go. On the flip side, GPT-4 didn't quite hold up. It stopped early and didn't deliver great code with the same prompt. So, bottom line, GPT-5 shows real promise. It's powerful, fast, and generates clean, usable code right out of the box. I'll definitely run more advanced tests once GPT-5 rolls out across all platforms. But even this small test, it says a lot already. Got ideas, challenges, or specific prompts you want me to throw at GPT-5? Drop them in the comments. I'd love to test them out and see what this model can really do. And if you want the custom prompt I used in this video, just say so in the comments. I'll send it your way. Thanks for watching.